Revision for the small topic perpetuity for class 12 applied mathematics. What is a perpetuity? It is an annuity in which the periodic payments begin on a fixed date and continue forever. Example: a person purchased a flat and rented it out. The flat owner is entitled to receive the rent from the tenant as long as the tenant stays there. Then what is an annuity? Any contract providing regular periodic payments for a specified period. Example: I took car loan from a bank and I am repaying it in the form of monthly EMI for a specified period, say 5 years. Next, present value of a perpetuity. Present value of a perpetuity can be calculated based on the different backgrounds. What are they? When periodic payment is made at the end of each payment period, then what is the present value of the perpetuity? P is equal to capital R divided by I. Capital R divided by small I. P is present value of perpetuity. R is equal to periodic payment and small I is equal to small r divided by 100, where small r is a rate of interest per period. So P is equal to capital R. Capital P is equal to capital R divided by small I when periodic payment is made at the end of the payment period, at the end of each payment period. Then next, what is present value of a perpetuity when periodic payment is made at the beginning of each payment period? It is given by capital P is equal to capital R into 1 plus I whole divided by I. I is small I. So P is equal to capital R into 1 plus I, 1 plus small I whole divided by small I, where R is periodic payment, capital R is periodic payment, small I is equal to small r divided by 100, where R is rate of interest per period. Let us see some problems on perpetuity. First question: find the present value of a sequence of payments of rupees 1000 made at the end of every 6 months and continuing forever if annuity is worth 8% per annum compounded semi-annually. Therefore, in this question, first we have to underline at the end of every 6 months. Therefore, present value P is equal to capital R divided by small I. What is capital R? It is given here. Rupees 1000. What is small I? Small r divided by 100, where r is rate of interest per period. Here what is a period? 6 months. Here what is rate of interest given? Per annum it is given 8%. Therefore per 6 months 8 divided by 2%, 4%. So small I is 8 divided by 2%. That is 4%, 4 divided by 100. So we can calculate present value of perpetuity using the formula P is equal to 1000 divided by 4 divided by 100. Next question, question number 2. What sum of money is needed to invest now so as to get rupees 5000 at the beginning of every month forever if the money is worth 6% per annum compounded monthly? Here we have to first underline at the beginning of every month. Therefore, in this case, present value of perpetuity P, capital P, is equal to capital R into 1 plus I whole divided by I. Here R is rupees 5000 and small I is equal to R divided by 100. What is rate of interest given in the question? 6% per annum. Therefore, what is our rate of interest per period? That is rate of interest per month in this question. Compounded monthly. That's why small r is rate of interest per month. Therefore, what is I? I is 6 divided by 12%. 6 divided by 12 is 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2%. 1 divided by 200. That is I. Therefore, we calculate P is equal to 5000 into 1 plus 1 divided by 200 whole divided by 1 divided by 200. Third question. At what rate of interest will the present value of a perpetuity rupees 500 payable at the end of every 6 months be rupees 10,000? First we will underline at the end of every 6 months. Here we use the formula P is equal to R divided by I. It is given P is rupees 10,000. R is equal to 500. We have to find small r. Here what is I? Small r divided by 100. What is our rate of interest per period? Here it is rate of interest per 6 months. Okay, therefore I is equal to r divided by 2, small r divided by 2, that whole divided by 100. That is small r is equal to r divided by, small I is equal to r divided by 200. Therefore, using the formula P is equal to R divided by I, which implies 10,000 is equal to 500 divided by small r divided by 200. We can calculate the value of small r.